Press OK button. Within 2 seconds, press Go button. Within 2 seconds after pressing Go button, press Up arrow button 4 times. Press Up arrow button until the display shows Maintenance 88. Press OK button. Reset fuser unit is displayed on the LCD. Press OK. Reset fuser unit OK will be displayed on the LCD. Press OK to reset the fuser life. Press Cancel button to return to initial state of maintenance mode. Press Up or Down button until Maintenance 99 is displayed. Press OK to exit maintenance mode. And the work is done.